Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the Cities. Today what we are going to do is learn how to make bridges with two buildings. So first what we need to do is make a plan. Yep, I think we have made a plan. And then put simple two buildings. I had already put the segments and all these things, so as you can see we have already put the segments, but you can see we can change length from here 20 by 60, and height it's like you can put 100 meters, segment is like 8, width segments 4, width segment 8. Yeah, it's done. So we have already the buildings, so what we need to do is now go to the modifiers, go to the edit poly. Yeah, and what you need to do is go down, scroll back, and we need to do is attach. Attach. So attach, we had already put the buildings attached. You can see as the colors are already different. So now what we are going to do is select polygon, and we are just selecting the faces. As you can see, we can control and select the faces. If you are going to select ignore base facing, then it's not going to controlling. So what we are going to do is select upper portion from here. I'm just going to go here and select the faces. Now as you can see, there is an edit polygon. There are so many options over here: extrude, outline, bevel, insert, bridge, flip. So you should not click on the bridge because it's not going to show up the settings. So what you need to do is go to the setting, click on the settings, and it's, as you can see, we have already had the bridge. But from over here you can put the twist, turn. Over here you can make so many things over here. And what you can do is also put some values over here, and so this is how you can make bridge. So guys, this is how you can make a bridge, but this is the simplest bridge we have made. You can also try in the circle or curve building, it will be the same. So just follow the instruction guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.